232, no start. All right, so the switch is good. If I release it, beeps. So that switch is good. Okay, coming up to start. All right, parking brake's flashing, release parking brake. Parking brake has been released. Now it says engage parking brake. Release parking brake. If I try to actually turn the key, F&R shuttle at neutral position. You can see pedals are neutral. Even if I reset them, I don't know if you can hear it. Just clicking down below. If I go down here, come down to shuttle. Where's that son of a bitch? It's that one. Oh, it's up here. That's right. It's in the front. I'm going too far back. You can hear it clicking.